Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "you don't have permission to join" experience error in Roblox. It's a simple fix, so let's get started. First, you need to log into your Roblox account. This error usually occurs in private servers. So what you need to do is click on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen. Then click on the gear icon to go to your settings. Next, go to privacy. Under the "Who can make me a member of their private server" section, make sure to select Everyone. Also, under the "Who can join me in experiences" section, select Everyone as well. And that's it. Once you've made these changes, you should be able to join any private server without any issues. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.